In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Scheels. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I want to do is open up a web browser and then head to scheels.com. And now once we're at scheels.com, we need to go ahead and click onto account, which is located top right hand corner of the page. And there isn't a create account button, but what we can do is click on sign in. And then once we're in the sign in page, login page, on the right hand side, it will say create an account. So some of the benefits of creating an account with Scheels, you can get special offers, price matching, a save list, special store events, and free returns and exchanges. So it's a good idea to create an account. So with Scheels, so go ahead and click on create an account. And then you'll be taken to this page here. A pop-up might appear. So this says want a chance to win $500 Scheels gift card. So it doesn't hurt to enter. I'm going to actually do this now. I'm going to put this in and I'm going to sign up. And then you just got to put in your phone number for the last step and click sign up. Then once you've done that, go ahead and you've got two options. So you can sign, you got three options, sorry. So you can sign up with your Google account. You can continue with your Apple account. With continue with Apple, it's going to create an account and log in at the same time. Same with Google. Or you can fill it out by putting your first name, last name, email address, phone number, password. And you've got to tick these boxes here and click on create an account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. So I'm going to choose tutorial is. Now we'll say sign into Scheels. Click continue. And then it'll redirect you back to Scheels, and it just says there your account has been successfully created, and then you should come straight to your account section inside Scheels.